snap. Morning, puppy. Okay. Good. Whew, morning. It is Saturday. You know what that means? The water wars from last night into the early hour morning were entertaining as usual. Yeah, didn't get any water for the most of the night, and then it kind of showed up and then it left again. But in positive news, I see an okra flower. You're saying there's a chance. Trying to be a little more purposeful this time around to keeping the plants nice and hydrated. I think that's my issue. Watering consistency, because it's hot, man. If you don't water a couple times a day, especially in this open environment, it's not looking good. So new leaves, literally turning over new leaves. Hello, beans. Andre.
Yep.
What's up?
Nothing.
You eat breakfast already?
Yep.
What'd you have?
First eat biscuit.
Mm-hmm.
Second eat burger.
You had a burger?
Yep.
Cool. Anything else?
This is the burger.
That's nice of her. Is there a third?
Third me eat
Sweetie. So you had like a 3-course breakfast meal. And how do you feel?
Good.
Great. You got a bag pack for today?
Huh?
You got a bag pack for today?
Of course.
I don't think that was how that's supposed to work. Where's your bag?
Oh my God.
You gonna go get it?
I don't know.
Your bag doesn't have any clothes in it?
No?
Well, you should go pack your bag.
What do
I thought we were going to a river.
Yeah.
Okay. So go get your bag ready.
The wow I'm missing.
What?
Wow I'm missing.
I don't know, whatever you need for a river. You fell.
Okay, sure.
Okay, see you soon. Bye. Probably not a good idea, Andre. Andre. See you soon. See you soon. No, Andre. Out the front. Bye-bye. See you soon. Okay. Man. You know what would be awesome? If I can get the 5-year-old to teach the 14-year-old how to use transition words in sequential order. First, second, and third. Telling a story. Some things you just can't be taught. You either got it or you don't. Andre. Morning, sir. How you doing? What you eating? Sweetie? Sweet. Andre, where's your bag? Uh-huh. There it is. Oi. Guess what? What is that? Hey, I think we're going to go to a river today. You want to come? Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah? Alright. Anything else you want to talk about today? Yeah. No? Yeah. Yeah? What'd you eat for breakfast? Yeah. Alright. Good talk. Alright, so you know how sometimes you gotta take advice and then do what you want anyway? Well, these peppers, according to Google lore, are supposed to get direct sunlight up to like 8 hours a day. And these don't, right? Look, enjoying right next to the sunlight, but enjoying some sweet shade. In fact, see if you can guess which pepper gets the most sunlight. Well, if you guess this one, the smallest of them, yes, you get the most sunlight in the afternoon hours, and you're the runtiest of them all. So I'm just saying, sometimes you get advice, and sometimes you got to take your own path and keep peppers in the shade. Cool. Right, today we are going to try to get to the Madafed River. It's not a beach, dude, it's a river. It's actually a nature reserve, supposedly. You know what I love about Craig, sarcasm included, is every time I talk, he feels like he needs to talk over me, and say something and louder than what I'm saying so that he gets heard. Craig.
But then you don't talk.
No, I wasn't. I will play this back for you right now, and you'll realize I was still talking, and then you started talking over me. You want me to play it back for you? Hold on, let me play it back for him. Craig's been provided the evidence. Craig, how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
You think I don't talk?
I was still in the middle of saying the word supposedly.
After in nature, let me say, say now my mother did.
I was still in the word supposedly. We played it back. Anyway, yeah, we're supposed to go to the river, and a special shout out to subscriber Pam.
For buying us.
Because she has provided us some funds to look about.
Some?
What is it called?
Super. No.
Hold on, what is it called, Craig?
It started on SP.
No, SN.
SN. Snorkel.
Snorkels.
Yeah, we have gotten some funds for snorkels. I gotta first explain to the boys what snorkels are, and then we gotta go try to find said snorkels somewhere out in the universe.
Yeah, see now one way you just put your mouth like a charge it.
You charge it?
Yeah.
I'm sure there's some.
I have one gas pump.
Oh, that's a scuba tank. That's separate from snorkels. Snorkels, you're using the air from above the surface.
The one they know go on your back and just look.
It's just a two. Yeah, we'll look it up. So as soon as Sonia gets ready, we can shop for snorkels. Today. What was that? Yeah. Are we soon ready?
Sonia now welcome.
No, we're waiting. She's doing laundry.
What do you mean like laundry?
I mean, she's washing clothes. She put the clothes in. Hold on, Craig. I was in the middle of talking again. But
sorry.
She puts the clothes in the washing machine. She pushes a button, and then she hides down there and enjoys quality Sonia time until.
Enough push your watch.
Yeah, we got a lot of dudes in this house. Anyway, Craig's got one more thing to say. We do know Fontana has snorkels.
Yeah,
but we might check a few Chinese shops before we get there.
Oh, yeah. What's the Fontana?
It's past the place that we're going. We should go
before soon. Chinese people didn't have Fontana.
Then, well, yes, that's what shopping around means.
Esker.
And Dave's here.
No.
Dave, the pants. Yep. Dave, the pants. Pull up the pants. Thank you for sharing. Are you ready to go soon?
Yes.
What are we going to shop for? What are we going to shop for? What? No, what is it called?
Snorkels.
Snorkels.
No, snorkels.
What's it called?
Snorkels.
Mara's, you ready?
Andre, your sister called.
All right, we're soon ready to go.
Andre.
All right. Okay, that's our picnic supply so far. With a pepper. What are we making, Dave? Because you know what we're making.
Yes,
We're having sandwiches.
Yes.
Okay, that's why you're supposed to say. No, we're not making peanut butter sandwiches.
Bully beef and bread.
Fully beef and bread. Good, Dave. Oh, there's Dixie right there. I agree.
Oh yeah, do that.
Craig, what's the cooler for?
No, I
don't know. That's what I'm just asking.
Yes.
Craig, we don't have big chunks of ice for putting a cooler. Junior, close the freezer. We're not eating on plates. We just need something to put stuff on. Do you want Craig putting ice in there? Craig, put it back. Yeah, Dave can buy ice. You're watching the chaos live. Through the fourth wall to fill you in. Yeah, we're supposed to be bringing food to the river. First time, it's a learning curve. Okay. Yes, a fork, a knife. mixing bowl. Mario. Andre, that's the phone, dude.
You need cover?
What?
No.
Alright, I think we might be ready. Okay, we got an empty cooler and a pack of sandwich ingredients. We're almost ready. You know that time in life when you're like, do I really want to open the door? I could just enjoy this nice, peaceful, quiet, air-conditioned vehicle by myself. Because you know as soon as you open the door, that's over. All of them coming in the car. It's like a bad zombie movie where they're all out there. You know eventually you gotta go out there. Here's what they don't know. I'm gonna leave without them. Zombies are not coming for me. Oh no, they're following me. They're still here. Oh, hi.
So you expect someday to go in that car.
You got 2 hands. One of them's empty, dude. And it's bread. Okay. Get in the car. Where's your bag, Andre? Where's your bag?
In my car.
Go get your... Alright, watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. Okay. Yep.
Andre.
Eventually, they'll come for you too, eventually. We're gonna get out of here soon. Hopefully. Okay. So,
okay, sorry.
Can't go to the river yet because we are on a mission to search for snorkels. And rather than going onto a bunch of different places, because it's well into the afternoon now, we are going to the place where Sonia's dreams come true.
Yep.
We're gonna go stop at Fontana for snorkels, and snorkels only.
Yeah.
Because it's already after 1 o'clock. And we're just leaving the yard.
What time did we reach?
It's time to go.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks.
Gotta stop for Guinness when you can. Gotta show them the Guinness.
Oh. Guinness.
Nice.
Guinness. Let me show Guinness. Guinness.
You showed them your Guinness, alright. Here we go.
Bye.
Alright, we are going for snorkels and only snorkels, supposedly. Guys, I'm going to tell you guys this right now. These don't have names on them, okay? They're not yours, they're not yours, they're not yours. We are sharing, okay? There's 4 of them and there's several of us. No, you're not going upstairs, Junior. Okay, so good news and bad news. We found some snorkels and we had enough money to buy 4 solid, high quality sets. So, while we wait patiently for those in front of us to... Alright. Yeah, we are going to see if the boys can learn the lovely, subtle art of sharing.
I know 4 snorkel.
There's 4 snorkels, yes.
I know 4 of them.
No, there's more than 4 kids in the back. So, as I've told the children, these snorkels don't have names attached to them. This is a communal snorkel set, and therefore...
So everybody put them up on the same thing.
I'm sorry, I was in the middle of talking, Dave. If you don't mind. Okay, well, can you wait till I'm done talking till you ask me? So what I was trying to say before I was so rudely interrupted is, yes, there are 4 sets, and there's a clown. That happened.
For Tyler.
Wow. Andre! Andre!
Andre, look. Mine. Your friend is. He cloned it.
Yeah. We're going to work on sharing. And yes, snorkels can be cleaned with some bleach water and reused. So to answer Dave's question, which I think he's trying to complain about, wait, we're going to put our mouths on different snorkels. We will show them how to clean them. Google will help us. But we got to get to the river first, so here we go. Hey guys, hello. We're looking for the Madafed River, man. You guys ever heard of it? No. The Madafed River? Oh yeah. it said to drive that way, but we ran out of roads. So I was just.
We're gonna go have somebody because he's from.
Oh, okay. Appreciate it. Thanks. No worries. The Madafed River. The Google told us we'll go this way, but apparently we gotta go.
It's close here where you can access this from here.
You
go back to the stoplight by the bridge.
Take a left. Okay.
And then you follow the road. You can go up on Google Maps once you make the left on the right.
Perfect. Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, we're back to asking questions. Nicer neighborhoods, that's for sure.
Yeah.
All right, back to the road.
Oh.
Yo, we're just trying to get to the river, man.
Rafting?
No, man, just going to the regular river.
Oh, a regular river not around here now. That's normal rafting.
You're certain, not up the hill.
The beach is down there. You have blue hole at the top.
Oh, well, maybe the blue hole's where we're headed.
You have to get paid to go to the blue hole.
We got money? Come on, look at me. You think we don't have money? That's why you pulled me over, man.
You don't want to try the rafting then?
No, the kids want to swim.
But we got swimming place. We got swimming place at the river. You can swim off the cliff. We got rafting. We got jumping cliff. We got everything. Swinger swing. We got everything.
How much is your rafting?
I give a local price because you're born. I just give you the blue hole price. So you pay on the blue hole.
I'm listening.
I give a $30 per person.
Even for the kids?
No, the kids much cheaper. Depends on your kids.
We got.
I don't charge for the kids if it's baby.
Oh, how old's the baby?
Come on, we talk.
No, man, we're gonna go up and come back. We're gonna go up and come back. If it's not what we're looking for, we'll come back and talk to you.
I'm telling you, I got everything for you, for the kids. Swimming, swinger swing, but everything.
I don't have US money. I live here, man.
I go Jamaican.
I'm listening.
I give a 3,000 a person.
And the kids?
I give kids for 2,000.
Only 2-year-old?
2-year-old I don't charge for him.
5-year-old?
5-year-old I don't charge for 5.
Alright, well, we're gonna go up.
I don't charge for the 5-year-old.
Alright.
We're gonna go up the road and just check it out because we've never been up this road anyway. And then we'll come back and talk to you.
I'll give you the best price. I'll give you the price of getting the blue holes. And the rafting is more fun. We got the cliff jumping, we got the swinger swing for the kids. And we got everything activity for the kids. It's no joke thing. I'm not being lying to you, my friend. You're gonna be there best time to enjoy yourself.
I'm gonna have to check my cash to see if I got enough.
Come on the road, we can talk. Get out the road and look on the raft where you can make a deal.
We'll be right back. We're just gonna drive up the road. I promise. I will come back if it's not what we're looking for.
No, listen, this is a deal I give you right now.
I know.
My boss is not right here. I give you a deal.
My boss ain't here either.
Huh?
My boss ain't listening either.
No, my boss not here, so I just give you a deal.
Okay, I appreciate that, but we're just gonna go check it out and come back. I appreciate it, man. Wow, at least you can admit it. He's trying to make a sale.
16,000 of game.
Well, that's why I don't know if I have that kind of money.
Oh, God.
Reggae hill. He said go to left. He said go straight up.
You're good. Oh, snap.
What happened?
The radiator cap went down. Uh-oh.
Wait.
The radiator cap blew.
Oh, the G in the pan hill.
Mm-hmm.
Or be kind stop.
No, when they can't long then.
No, it's the radiator cap. Sheldon. Yes. Where's the best place to? We've never been here before, but we heard great things. What's the whether we're all?
You hear great things or good things?
Good things.
I've heard good enough.
Good and great.
We're coming from Highgate up in St. Mary.
Okay, well.
We got a bunch of kids that need
I
to.
guarantee it's go worth it. Alright?
Alright.
Here's a little walk to go down there.
That's fine.
But, you know, some people are cry about the journey coming up. You know, I mean, you will build some steps, and them not some people live on the flat, so them not used to hike.
Oh, we live in the hills. That's fine.
That is nothing. So, I'm gonna get a parking right up here, so and I shade secure, you know, seats and all of that. Right, in true Jamaican fashion, don't always stop at the first place that tries to hail you down and says they have the best deal. And I don't fault them for it. That's the Jamaican way. That's how you do it. But you got to keep going. You got to just be honest and tell them we're headed up the river, or up the road at least. And so now we find ourselves on a trail. I'm coming, Andre. Don't worry. I got the cooler. You carry yourself. And we're gonna find it. And then I got a funny story to share with you, because we made it to the river. And the goggles, or the snorkels, they didn't make it. Funny story to share with you. Just hang out for a bit while I calm down. Boy, you can do it, Andre. Wow. Yeah, they're not messing around, are they? Whew. All right, follow the trail to the river. Yeah. Here we go. Okay, going down. You good? Okay. Lean back. Alright, man, I see signs of the river. Oi, and some stairs. We're gonna make it. Sadly, I see a bunch of, or I hear a bunch of music too, so we'll do what we can to film what we can. Almost there. Oi. Ooh. Okay. That's a real river, Craig. I can't believe, yeah, nobody cared to check. Such is life, but we made it to the river, music's blaring, we're gonna have some fun.